Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Xcode with the GitHub. So before I start my tutorial, make sure your Xcode and your macOS is up to date. As of June 6th, my Xcode and my macOS is up to date. So I will start the tutorial. To connect your GitHub with the Xcode, first of all, go to your Git repository and then create a new one. Give your repository a name, like I'm gonna give Git tutorial. Okay, then it should be public, or if you want to keep it private, you can keep it private. And then click on create repository. From here, this is your URL which we're gonna need in next few minutes. Now we'll jump to our Xcode. We will create new project, select your app, and then give it a name, Git tutorial or whatever you want. So this is a Swift UI. I'm gonna keep it Swift UI because my next tutorials I'm gonna use the same repository and same project, and also I'm going to show you guys tutorials about the Swift UI from basic to advanced. So we'll click next and select the folder where you wanna save it, and make sure this your source code thing. There is create Git repository on my Mac and create. Here our project is loaded, and now you're gonna click on the second option and then repositories. You're gonna expand this folder, and here you will see remotes, but this right now this one is showing like nothing, so we're gonna right click on this one and then add existing remote because we have already created one. And here we're gonna paste our URL for this repository. Here we go, and we're gonna press add. And you will see here a region. One more thing, before this, you guys also have to check about in your settings like Xcode settings, and then in accounts tab, you have to add your GitHub account here. It is very easy. You will have to click plus and then select GitHub or GitLab, whichever you are going to use, or GitHub Enterprise if you're using for the business. So you're gonna select GitHub, continue, and then enter your account and the token. If you don't have token, there are nothing to worry about. Just click on create a token on GitHub. It will directly take you to the GitHub website, and I will show you. So account will be your username. Like my one is G Kelsey, G hyphen Kelsey, and then I'm gonna create a token. Here I'm going to sign in. So you can write any note here you want. Like you can write token for Xcode. And expiration, you can keep any you want, 30, 60, 90, even customize it. Or you can select no expiration. And then you can select these like repo, workflow, write, delete. If you want to give admin access to the token, I will recommend select all of these options if you're on your own system. Otherwise, select a few whichever you feel like and then generate token. It will give you a token. You can enter the token here and then sign in. When you will sign in, it will appear like this. And for the SSH key, it is very simple, made by Xcode. To enter the SSH key, you have to tap here and it will give you option here, like create new. So when you will go here, it will say to enter passphrase. You can get it from here by selecting this option. It will give you this suggestion. You can simply copy paste it here, and then your account will be ready. Just to check source control and then git, you have this information written here, like your GitHub email ID and the name. It is optional because when you will do push or pulls, it gonna take name and email from here. So here it is, just to show you guys it is working. We'll go back to Git tutorial. Right now this one is empty, so it will not show us anything. What I'm gonna do, I'm just going to enter my first GitHub tutorial. Okay, suggestions. Oh no. First we're gonna here going to integrate, commit, enter comment here or message. I will write initial commit and commit, tag all and commit. Now your code is committed. Now we are going to push it. So we're going to push. You can see here now you have this push local changes to origin main, right? So we're gonna select this one and then we're gonna do push. And that's it. Our now project is connected to Git and we can now do push and pull our code to GitHub. If you'll make any changes, it's gonna appear here, right? Modified. Let's go check on a GitHub if our project is uploaded. And here we go. Our project is right here. It says initial commit, initial commits. That's it for this tutorial. Oh, there is one more thing I want to share. Like you guys can download GitHub desktop. I will provide link in the description. It is very easy to control your all the Git repositories on your system. Like I'll do refresh. The one which we made is right here. And you can clone any repository or create new one just from here. It makes your stuff very easy to do. And that's it for this tutorial. Stay tuned with me because each and every week I'm going to drop 1 or 2 videos, and the next video will be regarding this Swift UI. It will be from basic to advanced, so make sure you guys subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest videos. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in the next video.